The date is the 5th of June 2025. The time is now 8:38 p.m. and I've literally just finished a few minutes ago my well, earlier I'd finished my 7.99 gigabyte USB memory stick, and it's got over 500 files on it, about 87 folders of absolute killer information, including the supernatural videos I've experienced, and also I've taken all the web pages off JEHOVAH'S.com and made them into a PDF, and they've gone all in one folder, along with Ray Franz's book Crisis of Conscience, and others as well. But it's quite interesting today that the 6-day war in Jerusalem in 1967 began on this day, and it ended on the 6-day war. What was that? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, it ended on the 10th of June 1967. Me and my wife Samantha were born in 1967, and my ex-wife Samantha is the daughter of Zion, and her birthday is on the 13th of May, and Israel became a nation on the 14th of May 1944. And so this is the day I start preparing a war against Jerusalem, right? And let's look over the Birchwood Kingdom Hall. That's where the house is. It's the azimuth angle is 257, 258. 258 gets you right onto the porch of the door of the Kingdom Hall. And look at the dark ominous clouds coming. I actually woke up at I think it was 8:09 this morning, and if you look on, I think it, well, anyway, it was 809th chapter of the Bible is Ezekiel chapter 7, the end has come, which is on my wall where the sun keeps shining on it every night. But these are dark ominous clouds now. So tomorrow, well, when I get my benefits in tomorrow, my 1,536 benefits from Universal Credit, I'm going to order some more padded envelopes so I can put the USB memory stick in, the 7.99 memory stick, and send it to as many news media in the UK. And it's a killer of a letter. It's a 3-page letter, and it's been being printed on 170 gram GSM white silk coated. It's really nice. So that's what I'm going to do. And then I'll get Royal Mail to start picking up the envelopes, probably on probably about 7th or 8th, but it will be prepared tonight, well, after midnight, which is the 6th. And what's interesting is oh, I think that's 2 magpies on there, is it? Well, that's at least one for sorrow. Yeah, the 6th of June, tomorrow, is actually D-Day landings, D-Day, where the Allied forces invaded Normandy, and yeah, it's tomorrow. Now, I used to live at 32 Dulverton Road in Leicester. Now, using the letters in Dulverton Road, you'll find the word Overlord, which was Operation Overlord on D-Day on the 6th of June 1944. And my mum was born in 1944. So there's the mathematical connections to do with this being D-Day for Watchtower. They've already been warned. If you go and look at my YouTube channel, a video when I warned them was going to send them one. Whether they'll look at the documents, I don't know, but they may as well. That's above my house. That's Operation Overlord, if you like. Well, it's Mission, I called it, well, the movie came out, Mission Impossible, The Final Reckoning. That's what my operation's called. But look at these dark clouds on the day I finish my 7.99 gigabyte memory stick, and I've just finished the well, literally about 50. Oh, there's a bird. 15 minutes ago, I finished the 3-page letter. There's just one spelling mistake off, and I just had to adjust a picture in there, the size, but that's finished now. So I've got 33 pages, which is like 11 addresses. I've got some addresses of the news. Oh look, 3 magpies. Look at them. Oh, there's 4 now. Hang on, what is that in Britain? It's 1 for sorrow, 2 for joy, 3 to get ready. Oh, 3 for a boy. Does that mean I'm going to get my son Reese back and have a baby with my ex-wife Samantha? Probably. Look, it's all around here. It's number 13 Harrier Court. That's number 15, and that's dark over there as well. And there we have another one. Yep, it's definitely dark today, but it's operation. It's D-Day today, tomorrow, when I start preparing start sending off orders for my printouts. It's quite interesting. I worked out some mathematics anyway for the 8th of June, and I found out one famous person was born on that day was Nancy Sinatra, and my mum is named Nancy, and tomorrow is the 6th of June. I was saying on the 6th of June 1944, which is my mum's birthday. And the interesting thing is, I've got a video of it. Trish, I don't know if it's the next day, but she was watching a video. You know, Nancy Sinatra with Boots Are Made for Walking, and she was watching that, so I filmed it. Now, what came on next was amazing. It was the is it Bob Dylan? I forget what it's called now. Along the Watchtower. That's what it was. Yeah, that was amazing. The rain's coming now. Look, that looks a bit ominous over there. So you can guarantee Watchtower will go down on the 3rd of August 2025, and more likely it's going to be supernatural. Just as Belshazzar with the writing on the wall that Daniel interpreted as meeny, meeny, tekel and passing, and you've been found wanting, and basically going to be destroyed, your kingdom. So as the writing on the wall with Belshazzar happened, and his knees were knocking together, so will Watchtower when they probably see writing on the wall at the Bethel headquarters. How about that, Watchtower? That's not looking good, is it? And now we have it looks like a raven on there, or a rook. It's a black one anyway. The harbinger of death. Look, Watchtower, as it starts to rain. And rain is a cleansing, a symbol of cleansing. So there you go, Watchtower. It's all happening supernaturally around the Birchwood estate. Yeah, I'm going to get wet now, although my camera is waterproof. Look at those dark clouds now. Oh dear. Way, yeah, come on Jehovah, bring it on. Bye for now.